So today we will be talking about how many bodies that 74 Deuce Hoover. So the person who would die on that skit would be a well-known baby insane Crip member. So 74 and their members would be trooping until they seen a Miss 13 member and they would have a shootout. Nobody would die on this skit. So after the shootout, a well-known member named Jay would run into his ops called GB and they would get into a fight and Jay would up his pole shooting at the members.
Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it.
Shorty, after all that skits, it would catch up to them. They would lose to homies KB and Servu. There is no clip right now. So after they died, 74 had to get out the city due to cop problems. And Servu had a baby and his son brought it back. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.